In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of artificial intelligence, specifically using ChatGPT to craft a robust Pinterest growth strategy tailored for your handmade jewelry business over the next 30 days. Whether you're looking to attract more followers, boost engagement, or showcase your unique creations, this guide will walk you through the essentials of using AI for Pinterest. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, it's a simple process to set one up. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start leveraging this incredible tool. Next up is starting a new chat. Think of this as opening a fresh page for your ideas to grow and thrive. Click on New Chat, which you'll find conveniently placed, allowing you to dedicate this session exclusively to Pinterest strategies. Now let's give ChatGPT something to work with. Here's a sample prompt to get you started. I run a small handmade jewelry shop. Create a Pinterest growth plan for the next 30 days. Include board ideas, keywords, pin captions, posting frequency, and tips for trending styles. This prompt provides a structured overview of what you're looking for and helps ChatGPT tailor a custom strategy that suits your business needs. Once ChatGPT has generated some ideas, it's time to put them into action by creating engaging pins. You can ask ChatGPT to assist you with creative tasks, such as composing captivating titles for your pieces. For instance, you might want 5 catchy titles for a gold bracelet pin. In addition, you can request concise, SEO-friendly descriptions for your pins, making sure they are no more than 100 characters each. These suggestions can be directly copied into Pinterest when you're ready to upload your images, streamlining your workflow and ensuring your content shines. Building a consistent posting schedule is crucial for maintaining your audience's attention and fostering growth. Request a content calendar from ChatGPT, which will help you outline a weekly Pinterest schedule consisting of 3 pin topics per day. This structure will keep your ideas flowing and ensure you're regularly engaging with your audience. After 2 to 4 weeks, revisit ChatGPT with the outcome of your efforts. Provide it with statistics from your Pinterest activities, such as, my best pin got 1.5K saves. Suggest how to improve similar posts. Armed with this feedback, ChatGPT can offer insights on how to refine and enhance your approach, ensuring you continuously optimize your Pinterest presence. By following these steps, you'll not only craft a dynamic Pinterest strategy, but also create a framework for ongoing success. So tackle each step attentively and let ChatGPT guide you towards achieving your goals. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck in growing your jewelry shop's vibrant presence on Pinterest.